Welcome back, children. Srinivasan here. Exercise 1.3, we are discussing ninth problem, relations and functions chapter. Consider f, the function f from r non-negative real numbers to minus 5 comma infinity. The function is defined as f of x equal to 9x square plus 6x minus 5. We have to show that f is invertible. So f inverse is also given that, so you can verify your answer there itself. Let us start. The function is non-negative, all positive numbers, forget about negative numbers here. So your range is from minus 5, codomain is from minus 5 to infinity. Let us start. F of x equals, here only the solving part is going to be little difficult, children. That as usual we'll take two elements in the domain, x1 x2 belongs to your positive. Now we'll take images are equal, f of x1 equal to f of x2, which means 9x1 square plus 6x1 minus 5 equals 9x2 square plus 6x2 minus 5. So minus 5 gets cancelled. You can cancel out this dividing by 3. We can simplify this, or you can have as it is. So we'll simplify 3x1 square plus 2x1. Yes, okay. 2x1 equals 3x2 squared plus 2x2. Okay, children. Now we'll bring everything on one side. Okay. Now what you'll get? 3x squared, 3x1 squared plus 2x1 minus 3x2 squared minus 2x2 equals 0. Okay. Now in this 3 you can be taken out. 3 if you take, you will write it as x1 squared minus x2 squared plus 2 if you take, you will write x1 minus x2 equals 0. Okay, children, a square minus b square formula. How can you write? X1 plus x2 times x1 minus x2, correct? Plus the remaining as it is x1 minus x2 equals 0. Now you have x1 minus x2 on both terms. You take that out. Now what is remaining now? 3 times x1 plus x2 plus 2. Have a doubt, you multiply and see whether you get this one. Now this cannot be equal to 0 because they are all positive. So 3 times x1 plus x2 plus 2 cannot be equal to 0. Okay, children. So x1 minus x2 must be equal to 0. Okay. Now which means x1 equal to x2. Therefore f is an 1-to-1 function. Okay, children. We have completed 1-to-1. Now we have to show onto. To verify onto, what you should do? You take the given function as y, 9x squared plus 6x minus 5. Now we have to solve this for x. So whatever method you are going to use, you can use, but the final answer should be like this: x is equal to root of y plus 6 minus 1 by 3. I am going to use complete square method. If you are not comfortable with that, you can go with the quadratic formula. Whatever you better you choose. Now I am taking 9 because I know complete square method you should not have any coefficient in front of x squared. X squared plus x coefficient should be divided by 2 and squared. So by 2 and I am squaring it. Okay, children, 6 by 2 and I am squaring it. Now the same to be added here. I'll go for this page. I'll do it here. So that one term was missing there, we'll add it here. Now doing 10th standard, you study complete square method. I'm doing that. 9x squared plus 6x minus 5. Now take out this 9 out, you will have x squared plus 6 by 9x minus 5 by 9. Okay, children. Now we'll simplify x squared plus 3 2s are 3 3s are 2 by 3x minus 5 by 9. Now 9 of x squared plus 2 by 3x plus the coefficient of x to be divided by 2 and squared. So divide by 2 and squared. This is a new term I added, so I divide by this. Minus 5 by 9. If you have a doubt, you have to learn 10th standard, you have to learn complete square method, then you have to come here. Now these three terms can be written as a square, b square, 2ab. So you can write a plus b the whole square. So 2 gets cancelled. So you have 1 by 3 the whole squared minus this is 4 and minus 5. Okay children, here also this 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So you will have 1 by 9 minus 5 by 9. So 9 times x plus 1 by 3 the whole squared minus 6 by 9. Now take this 9 inside, what you will get? 9 into x plus 1 by 3 the whole squared minus 6. Because 9 when multiplied, 9 and 9 gets cancelled. This is your y. We need to solve for x. We have to do further. I am showing all the steps one by one. That's why the sum seems to be lengthy. If you can do it with the quadratic formula, if you are familiar with, please go to it. You can do that. Now taking the y on the 6 on the other side, I get y 6, and moving this 9 on the other side, it becomes y by 6 by 9. I am checking with the answer in that question also. Question you have an answer. X plus 1 by 3 the whole square. Taking square root on both sides. What you will get? Root of y plus 6, square root of 9 is 3. Here it will changes to 1 by 3. Move that 1 by 3 on this other side. Y plus 6 by 3 minus 1 by 3 equals x. The denominator is same, so you can add. So we know this is the inverse. To show that this is the inverse, we need to do one more step. Substitute in f of x. You should get y. What is f of x? F of x was 9x squared plus 6x minus 5. So now you have to do f of root of y plus 6 minus 1 by 3. 9 of 9 times x squared is that. So root of y plus 6 minus 1 by 3 the whole squared plus 6x plus 6 into the same. I will do it here. As I told you, these calculations are a little difficult, but other things are very easy. Now let us go with that. 9 times, which is equal to 9 times root of y plus 6 minus 1 by 3 the whole square plus 6 times root of y plus 6 and minus 5. Okay children, let us start. Root of y plus 6 minus 1 the whole square by this 9 and square 9 will get cancelled. So they get cancelled. Now 3 and 2 times get cancelled. So you have 2 times root of y plus 6 minus 2 minus 5. Okay children, now this should be written as a minus b the whole square. A squared, you will get y plus 6. B squared, 1 squared is 1. Minus 2ab, 2 times y plus. Here you have plus 2 times root of y plus 6. Minus 7. See children, everything will get easily, they will get cancelled. Minus 2 root plus 2 root of y plus 6, they get cancelled. 6 plus 1, 7, minus 7. So plus 7 minus 7. What is left now? Yes, you got only y. Therefore, f is onto function. So what does it mean? Yes, f inverse exists. F inverse is your x, whatever you want. Y plus 6 minus 1 by 3. Due to the calculation, the sum is shown to be little bigger. If you have shorter ideas about the quadratic formula, you can make use of it. Thank you, children.